students, I am going to teach you class 8 chapter number 2, which is linear equation in one variable. So let us start. So here I am going to tell you about expression and equation. What is the difference between expression and equation? Just simple. Expression is like x plus 1, y plus 1, z plus 2 and so on. Like this. This is a simple expression. Now what is equation? Equation is in the form of like this. Means there is variable, equal sign and one constant. So this is the difference between expression and equation. Like when there is equal sign, then this is equation, and then there is no equal sign like x plus 1. So this is expression. Now I am talking about linear equation in one variable. Now what we have to do is linear equation, not linear expression. There is different, okay? Difference. So now linear equation. What is linear equation? So linear equation is very simple. First you know about equation. What is equation? There is one variable, equal sign. This is a sign of equation. But what is linear? Linear means power of variable is 1. Power of variable should be 1. This is the sign of linear equation, like x plus 2 equal to 1. So here the power of variable is 1. So we can say this is the linear equation. Now if you write x to the power 3 cube plus 1 x cube, so x power 3, that means this is not a linear equation. Now we are talking about one variable. So one variable means simple. When we working in one variable like this is also an linear equation. So why? Because x plus 2 equal to 2x plus 1, there is only one variable, right? X. And if there is like x plus 1 and y plus 1, this is not a linear equation. This is two variables. So now next one is one variable means 2 is one variable. These all are remembering points. And third point is equal sign. You have to find out that equal sign is there or not. Like this, x plus 1 equal to 2. Equal sign, power is 1, that means linear equation. If the variable power is x1 plus x plus 1. So this is a linear expression, okay, not linear equation. So here, please note down these 3 points. These 3 points is very important, and remember these 3 points. First is power of variable should be 1. Second is one variable. We are working in one variable. And third one is equal sign. You have to see equal sign also. So these all are. Topic is method. To solve a linear equation, there are two different methods. First is one side variable, another is transposing method. Now first I am taking one side method. What is one side method? Transposing method is very easy. Okay, everyone using this transposing method, but what? One side variable. Look at one side variable. Here is, I am taking one example of addition like this. X plus 3 equal to 2. Now what our example is? Here variable, first you have to look variable, equal sign, and variable is x and plus 3. So one side variable means plus 3 is here. So we have to subtract 3 on both sides. Minus 3 on both sides. So first you will see variable, and nearest the variable, what does it is? Plus 3. So minus 3 on both sides. If there is minus 3, then plus 3 on both sides, multiplication, then division, and division, then multiplication. So what we have to do is minus 3 on both sides. How can you minus 3 subtract 3? Here is x plus 3 equal, here is 12. This is our example, right? Minus 3 and minus 3 both sides. Okay. What next? Plus 3 minus 3, same integers, same number are there, but one is negative integer and one is positive integer. So cancel out. 3 minus 3 is 0. Here one variable left, one side variable left. X is equal to 12 minus 3 is 9. So our answer is 9. Now comes in next question, like if there is minus sign, what we have to do? In minus sign, simple. Plus 3 on both sides because there is minus, just opposite. Plus 3 because x minus 3 equal to 12. This is our question. Now what? Plus 3. So plus 3 on both sides. What we will get? Minus 3 plus 3 cancel out. X is equal to 12 plus 3. That means 15 is the answer. Now what? In case of multiplication. In case of multiplication, that means when there is no sign between a variable and number, so what we said? Product. That means multiplication. Okay. So here our question is 3x is equal to 12. What we have to do? Divide 3 on both sides. Okay. Multiplication. Divide 3 on both sides. So first write our question. Divide 3 on both sides because we have to cancel out this digit because variable only left here. So x is equal to 3 divided by 12 is 4. That means our answer is x equal to 4. So this is our answer. Now what in case of division? You know very well about division. So what in case of division? Simple. If there is x upon 3, here is 12. What we have to do is multiply 3 on both sides. So by multiplying, what we will get? Simple. There is 3x equal to 3 into 12 upon 3. Okay, 3 into 3. So what? 3 cancel out and 3 12s are 36. That means our answer is x is equal to 36. So now look at transposing method. So transposing method is very easy. So x plus 3 equal to 12. This is our example. Now what we have to do is here check what digit is here? Plus 3. So write x equal sign 12 with plus 3. So plus 3 will transfer this side, right hand side, this is left hand side and this is right hand side. So plus 3 will transfer on right hand side and subtract sign will be there. So plus 3 will convert in minus 3. So what we will get? X is equal to 9. This is our answer. It's very simple, transposing method. Now next I am taking minus 3. If there is minus 3, what we will do? Simple. Minus 3 will convert into plus 3. Here, when we transfer minus 3 to the right hand side, so simple, here answer is 15. In case of multiplication, when there is 3 into x, so what we will do? Simple. 3 transfer this side and it will convert in division. So 12 divided by 3 we will get 4. So 4 is the answer. Now what next? If there is division, means that x upon 3 is there. So if there is division, 3 will convert into multiplication. So 3x is equal to 12 into 3. So what we will get? 36. So it's very simple. Transposing method is very simple. When there is multiplication, we will convert into division. When there is division, we will convert into multiplication like this. Addition, subtraction, and subtraction, addition. This is very simple. One of different type of question I am taking. It's like x, 2x plus 1 equal to x plus 2. Here I am taking this. Now what we have to do is variable terms. So variables solve in variables and numbers solve by numbers. So what we have to do is first arrange variable, this variable, transfer this side, and plus 1 transfer this side. As you know, sign will be changed. So what our next step is 2x as it is, equal as it is, 2 as it is. Now what? Plus 1 will transfer on right hand side. So plus 1 will change. Minus 1 and plus x will transfer this side. So minus x. Now what we will get? 2x minus x is 1x. Here is 1 already, right? So now equal. When there is no number now, then you have to remember one thing. सबका मालिक एक है. That means 1. 1 is also here. So don't write like this. Here is 1 already. Now 2x minus 1x is x. 2 minus 1 is 1. So our answer is x is equal to 1. This type of question. Now when you start the exercise now, you will solve these all our questions very simply by using one side variable or transposing method. Now come in our next topic. Now what is verification? Verification is to check. Okay. Now one example I am taking, x plus 2 equal to 10. Okay. Now solve the question and find out the value of x. How can you solve? By using one side variable or by using transposing method. Here I am taking transposing method because it's very simple. So x equal to 10 plus 2 will transfer minus 2. What we will get now? X is equal to 8. Now if I am having a doubt that my answer is right or wrong, so I am using the verification method. So what is verification method? Here I am taking question x plus 2 and right hand side is 10. This is right hand side and this is left hand side. We have to balance both, okay? And what is our answer? X is equal to 8. That means x value is 8. Now by putting value of x, we will get 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. That means left hand side equal to right hand side. We have to say that x is equal to 8 is the right answer. So verification is very simple. Put the value of variable which you find. So answer will be same. Left hand side equal to right hand side. So you can write simply, hence verified. So our next topic is forming equation. Forming an equation. How can you form an equation? Like if there is question, word problem questions like this. So if your statement is like sum of two numbers is 24, that means we know sum, that means plus. So sum of two numbers is 24. Okay. Read statement one by one, step by step, and understand it carefully. Okay. One number is 10 more than the other number. What is one number? So let us take one number is x. One number is x. Okay. And what the statement said? One number is 10 more than other. That means other is x plus 10. Other is x plus 10. Why? Because other number is 1 more than 10. Now is x, here 1x plus 1x. How many x is here? 2x. 2x plus 10 equal to 24. This is the forming of equation. Now comes in next topic. Now what is this? Twice. When there is twice, means a number is twice to the another number. That means one number, let one number is x and twice to the other number. That means twice. 2x. Okay. When thrice, so 3x. 1/3. 1 upon third means 1 upon third equal to x upon 3. When we are talking about 1/4, so x upon 4. When we are talking about 1/5 and so on, so x upon 5 like this. So now what we have to do is, so things is there, times. Times means multiplication. Like I am talking about 3 times of 4. So 3 times of 4. 3 into 4. Okay, I am talking 3 times of number. So 3x means 3 into x. So times means multiply. And by means division. X upon 3. 3. Okay, this is for division. So remember these points. First, I have told you about sum of two numbers. So plus less than the number. If there is less than the number, so less means minus. Okay, less means minus, more means plus, times multiplication. 1/3 means 1 upon 3 and twice means 2, thrice means like this. So now the concept is very clear. When you solve in word problem, so it will help you. Now comes in cross multiplication. Now this is our last topic, cross multiplication. I am taking one example. X plus 2 equal to 3 upon 2. Sometimes a statement like this. So what is cross multiplication? Just put a cross like this. Okay. So what we have to do is transfer the value in this side and this is this side. So what? In multiplication form. Here is x plus 1 equal to 3. This is numerator, is it? Now denominator cross multiplication. So x plus 2 will transfer there and 2 will transfer here. Now what we have to do? Multiplication. 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 1 is 2 equal sign 3 into x is 3x plus 3 into 2 is 6. Now again this is by using transposing method, variable one side and number in that side. So what we have to do is 2x minus 3x means here plus 3x, so we will convert minus 3x and plus 2 will change in this side. So 6 minus 2. What our answer? 3x minus 2x is minus x. Because greater sign is there and equal sign 6 minus 2 is 4. That means our answer is x is equal to minus 4. This is a cross. Next question. 3 cross multiplication. So we will get like this equal to 2 into x plus 1. Now solve 3 into x is 3x plus 3 equal to 2 into x is 2x plus 2. Now variables in one side 3x minus 2x, because plus will convert into minus and equal to here plus 2 is already there, plus 3 will convert into minus 3. Now solve this question. Next we will start exercise. So solve this concept, learn it carefully.